Lost your Chevy Equinox key or need an extra? Here's how to program a new flip key for 2014-2017 models. These Equinoxes use a proximity key system. For adding a key, you'll typically need an OBD2 scanner like an ELM37, a compatible key fob, and software. Start by plugging the scanner into your car's OBD2 port under the dash. You may also need to cycle the ignition by turning the key to the on position multiple times within a short period, or use the software to enter programming mode. For all keys lost scenarios, it's more complex and often requires a GM dealership due to security protocols. After entering programming mode, connect an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's port under the dash. Use the scanner to read and clear any existing diagnostic codes. Follow the software prompts on your scanner or tool to program the new key fob. This synchronizes the key with the vehicle's systems. Test the programmed key by locking and unlocking the vehicle, starting the engine, and using remote features to ensure everything works properly. For all keys lost situations, you'll need a PIN code from GM. Obtain this using your vehicle's VIN number through their online service. Ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to at least 12.6 volts before starting to prevent programming issues. Avoid short-circuiting during the process to prevent damage to the body control module. Incorrect steps can disable your vehicle. DIY programming can save money, around $100 compared to $200 or more at a dealer. However, failure rates are about 15%, and incorrect steps can disable your vehicle. If you're not comfortable, seek professional assistance.